Hi, I'm Dusky Estes of Farm to Pantry, and today we're gonna make roasted radishes with green goddess dressing. This is a great healthy starter. Instead of chips and dip, you have roasted radishes and dip. It's also perfect under chicken or a piece of fish. And today we're gonna pair the roasted radishes and green goddess with the Piper Sonoma Blanc de Blanc. The green apple and citrus notes in this sparkling wine go perfectly with the tarragon in the green goddess. So the first step of getting the roasted radishes ready is to put what I call a blind sheet tray in your oven. So my oven is at 400 and already I have an empty baking sheet sitting in there ready to receive my radishes. So then the next thing I have to do is cut them all up. So I actually leave the little green part still on the top of the radish because that ends up becoming a nice little handle when you start dipping it into the dip. And for the tail on the bottom, you can cut them off or leave them on, depending on whether you think they're pretty or whether you want them not there. I tend to think they're kind of pretty. So then I put these in my bowl and I toss them with oil and salt. And then I move to my hot sheet tray in the oven. So the next thing I do while the radishes are roasting is make the green goddess, and you'll be so psyched how fast and easy it is to make this dish. So everything goes into the food processor together, or you could do it in a blender. So 2 to 3 anchovies, half of an avocado, and it's always important not to bring the little knob part of the top of the avocado, because that shows you're a rookie if you end up having that in your dish. 1 lemon juiced. And then 3 different herbs today. We have basil, tarragon, and flat leaf parsley. And the green is beautiful in this dip. All the bright, fresh herbs really speak of spring. And then a couple garlic cloves, little bit of sour cream, and we're gonna blend it all up. Now that I'm done with the green goddess, I'm gonna go check on those radishes. In springtime, they look just like Easter eggs. Spoon a couple of these. And this is much healthier than chips. And it's a great way to use up a lot of radishes if your garden was very giving. Because otherwise, like when you put radishes in a salad, you don't get to eat very many of them. Now that my roasted radishes and my green goddess are ready, I just have to finish with some spring garnishes. We have a little calendula petals, and in Sonoma County, there is mustard everywhere this time of year. And now all you need to be entirely ready for your party is a glass of Piper Sonoma Blanc de Blanc. The reason this is a perfect pairing with the Piper Sonoma Blanc de Blanc is that the tarragon sings perfectly with the green apple and citrus notes in this sparkling wine. This dish with this sparkling wine speaks spring, makes you happy and you're ready to party.